Yes, the doubts can ask me doubts. Any doubts are there? So always free to ask me either phone or WhatsApp or Google Classroom directly. Don't come home. That's it. You can ask me anywhere. Okay, 100 has got done. Start now. Yes, it's a problem. I've taken directly from textbook. We'll solve it now. Solve the following 2 into 3 game graphically. It's directly given graphically. You don't have to check out anything, but anyway, still you can do. So player A has got A1, A2, player B, B1, B2, B3, 1, 3, 12, 8, 5, 2. Check out. Write down the problem now. Solve the following 2 into 3 game graphically. Player A, A1, A2, player B, B1, B2, B3. It all depends on the textbooks. Somebody write 1, 2, someone writes X1, X2, someone write Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, 1, 2, 3 only. Okay, all depends on textbooks only. You don't have to worry about those things. So player A is going to use strategy A1, A2, player B, B1, B2, B3. Write the values now. Okay. Check whether the matrix has got saddle point. Check whether the given matrix has a saddle point. If there is one, it can be solved by max-min and minimax principle. If not, continue with the graphical method. So now, this is how you are going to find the saddle point. Row minimum, first row 1, second row 2. First column, row maximum, column maxima 8, second 5, third column 12. So maximum value of row minima is 2, minimum of minimum of this one is 5 actually, right?
Sir,
You find any mistake here?
Yes, sir, it's a mistake, sir.
Mistake?
Yes, sir.
You find a mistake here?
Yes, sir.
What mistake?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
8
sir.
is circle.
Yeah, it should be 5, sir.
Yeah. Textbook, I'm not seen, it's not my mistake. You don't blame me. Directly take up the textbook because hurriedly I wanted to take one
No, sir.
thing and did that. Okay. Here, books also they make a mistake. It's a 5 actually, right? So now, anyway, fortunately, it's not minus 1. Since the minimax not equal to minimax max-min value, so saddle pointer does not exist. So continue with the graphical method. Now it is 2 into M matrix. Okay, 2 into M matrix. It's for player A now. It was M into 2 matrix previously. Now it is a 2 into M matrix. Okay, you don't worry about these things. Okay. You have to do. Okay, sorry, the text is not given anything. Directly they have drawn the graph. Directly drawn a graph. Okay. 1 o'clock. Okay. See, these people are not solved using our method of calculating oddments. Okay. Right now, see, directly they have taken the graphs. Draw 2 vertical lines. Let the left vertical line represent x1, a1, and right a2. Make uniform values on both axes and ensure that all matrix elements, both positive and negative, are accommodated. The maximum positive value is 12, the minimum is 1. So they told to make all these 0 to 11 and I think 0 to 12, 0 to 12 they made. Okay. For this table, can you do like this? Yeah, can you prepare like this? You please prepare like this. You write down here these strategies, these alternatives, and A's expected payoff function and A's expected gain x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. I didn't see, sorry, this problem I didn't extra solved on my own. I thought they are solved. You have to do like this, it's easy in fact. You take the problem and prepare like this. You write down left side B's alternative 1, 2, 3 and A's expected payoff function and A's expected gain x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Have you done doing? Hope you are doing, understanding and doing. Siddhappa Bagali wants to come to college. So when the college will reopen, you don't worry.
Okay, sir. No problem, sir.
Okay, okay. Yeah. So you have taken this problem right now. You have taken this problem. That is 1, 3, 12, 8, 5, 2. It's a player A, x1, x2, y1, y2, y3. So similarly, you are doing like this right now. That is, you are going to write the B's alternative 1, 2, 3, A's expected payoff function, and A's expected gain. X is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Got the values like this?
Yes, sir.
One x1 plus 8 Yeah, now you can say it.
Sir.
Yeah,
So they have not took that alternative, sir. They have directly took the line points that in the matrix, sir, and they are drawn, sir. Graph.
yeah, that's what. I
So
took this value.
we are not getting correct answer, sir. With
Yeah,
the alternates, we are not getting correct answer, sir.
yeah, correct. Game ಮಾಡೋದು ಈಗ.
So let's check some video on YouTube, sir.
You know, I'll do one thing. Just leave it as it is. I'll do once again on my own and I'll do it. I think it's like differently given. Say they can P20 here, right side, P1 left side. You may get confused. Just leave it. I thought suddenly I thought taking textbook and do it. Don't do it. You know, I'll go for my own solved problem. Game theory.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Don't do it. Just directly we'll take this problem. Okay. Out of inconvenience, we'll do this problem. So, yeah, all of you please note down. You take this problem now. We'll solve it. You just leave the problem. We'll do afterwards. I will solve on my own and I will do like this. I thought they're doing correctly and solve this problem now.
So row 3 is dominated by row 2.
So check out now any columns or rows are dominating by any other columns.
Sir, column 3 is dominated by column 2, sir.
Column 3 is dominated by column 2. Right now? 20 is more than 10. Minus 10 is equal to minus 10. Minus 20 is minus 20. So column 3 is dominated by column 2. So delete column 2. Column 3 values are greater or equals to column 2. So delete column 2 now. 3 now. Sorry. Delete column 3.
Column 3.
Yes. Please note down. Delete column 3 because the values are greater than or equal to column 2 values. 20 greater than 10, minus 10, minus 10, minus 20, minus 20 equal values. So delete column 3. Next up. Now you got only 2 columns. Now check out rows. Check out rows.
Sir, row 2 is dominated by row 3,
Row
sir.
3 divided by row 2, right now? Row 3. Because minus 20 less than minus 10, 5 equals to 5, right now? Row 3
Yes, sir.
divided by row 2,
Yes,
so
sir,
delete
yes, sir.
row 3. Delete row 3. Done. Now you got 2 matrix A12, B12. Now you got 2 matrix right now. A strategy 1, strategy 2, B 1, 2. That is minus 5, 10, 5, 1, minus 10.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now that's all, 2 by 2. Simple problem, but anyway, because of negative sign, I wanted you people to understand the problem. So now find the oddments. Find the strategy for A, strategy for B, and the value of game.
So in second step, which row you have deleted?
Second stage, third row, because minus 20 less than minus 10. 5 equals to 5. Alva?
Third row.
So row 3 delete ಮಾಡೋದಷ್ಟೇ. Delete row 3 because the values are less than or equal to row 2.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You get now 2 by 2 matrix. 1 and 2. A, B, 1 and 2. That's it. So you are going to get 2 by 2 matrix. Values are minus 5, 10, 5 and minus 10. So difference of first.
So oddments are minus 5, 5, and 0.
Hanga. 15, 15. 10 minus 5, no?
So 15, 15, then column wise 20, 10.
15, 20 and 10, right? First
Yes,
row,
sir.
15.
Yeah.
Second row 15. 10 minus of minus 5. 5 minus of minus 10. 15, 15. Second,
Yes, sir. Yes,
20,
sir. Got it.
20 and 10. 10 minus of minus 10. 5 minus of minus 5. Okay. So 15, 15. Here 20, 20. Remember one thing, by adding it should be same value. So 50, 50, 30, 20%, 30. Should be same value should come. That's one more checking in fact in between. If you don't get the same value, then you might have made a mistake. That's what you should see. Both values when you go to add, same, it should come same value. 15, 15, 20, 10. So 30, 30 comes. So now 15 by 30, 15 by 30, it becomes 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Right? For A, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. For A. For B, 2 by 3, 1 by 3. Right now, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 for A. For B, 2 by 3, 1 by 3. What is the value of game? Value of game.
Sir, it's coming at 0.
Yeah, value of game is 0. Correct.
Yes, sir. 0, sir.
Yes. Yeah, someone asked me a good question just now, previous class. That is, you know that when the player A is going to use this strategy 3 by 4 or 1 by 4, is going to get outcome. The value of game is 21 by 4 only. Even for example, player B is going to use same strategy, that is at 1 and 3, is going to get value of game is 21 by 4 only. If this is a plus value, then the outcome, also called as a payoff of the game, or the value of the game is this much only, because plus value is a gain for A. You get negative value, it's a gain for B, that's it. It's called as the outcome of the game, outcome, or value of the game. Payoff payoff or outcome or value of game. When they're going to use the strategies, corresponding strategies, the value remains same. Whether they're going to use the first column, multiply oddments, second column, multiply oddments, first row, multiply these oddments, second row, multiply these oddments. Whatever value you're going to use, at the 4 times, you're going to get same value because it's only. Whether A is going to use first strategy, is going to get same outcome. Going to second strategy, is going to get same value. This strategy, is going to get same value. If B is going to this strategy, is going to get same value. That's why even if you're going to multiply first row with this value, second column this value, you're going to get the same value only. Okay. It's called as value of game, also called as the payoff of the matrix or outcome of the matrix. Okay, and lastly, I got one. Just a minute. I got one. Most probably, I don't know. Just for time being, okay. Don't think that I'm depending on YouTube this thing and all. I'm always independent of any other YouTube and all. I'm going to teach on my own. I like to teach on my own always. Because of the problem given wrong, so I'm going to take one problem here. Let's check it out. I want to take 2 PM game.
In this video, we are going to see game theory by using graphical method.
I want to take 2 into M game.
5y minus 1 plus here, since C is the minimax player, so identify the lowest B. Okay, look at the algorithm. Okay, the first selection of probability is y, and the second one y minus y. Okay, based on this, now you can derive the expected gain function of player B with respect to minus.
Yeah, it's fun.
2 gain using oddments. Okay, which passing through the same point, which will be opposite slopes. Okay, now for this, look at the graph. Look at the graph here. A4, A3, A2. These are the 3 lines passing through.
Yeah, just listen here. Is it audible? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Here,
Yes,
in
sir.
this case, you won't get 3 lines are crossing here. 3 lines are crossing. Here, A1, A2, A3, all are crossing. Okay. Then how to choose? How to choose the 2 values one? Because you want only 2 into 2 matrix only. Okay. In that case, you have to take exactly opposite lines. Okay. Exact opposite lines. Say for example, A4 alternative and the A2 alternative. I'll show you the graph once again. Okay, it's very important here. Sometimes you are going to get such that you're going to get 3 lines are going to class. Okay, very important here.
Here, A4 and A2 just opposite slope passing through the minimax point.
I'll just repeat here.
Any 2 lines, but the condition is opposite slope passing through that point. You have to put any 2 lines, okay, which pass opposite slope. Okay, now for this, look at the graph. Look at the graph here. A4, A3, A2. These are the 3 lines passing
Sir, audio is very low, sir. They're unable to hear it properly.
How to do? Do here only.
Just opposite slope passing through the minimax point.
One
So I'm going to select A2 and A4. Look at the original program. With the help of the graphical method,
Okay, ma'am.
we have selected alternative 2 and alternative 4.
Yes, sir.
Again, I'll explain. Look at the graph. Here we have 3 lines, A4, A3, and A2. These are the 3 lines, okay, passing through the minimax point. Okay, so you need to select any 2 lines among the 3 lines with the condition of the 2 lines should be opposite slope, okay, passing through the minimax point. Here, A4 and A2 just opposite slope passing through the minimax point. So I'm going to select A2 and A4. Look at the original program. With the help of the graphical method, we have selected alternative 2 and alternative 4. That is second row and fourth row. Okay. With the help of the graphical method, we framed 2 by 2 payoff matrix. Look at the algorithm. In the 7th step, identify any 2 lines with opposite slopes passing through that point. Then form the 2 by 2 payoff matrix. See, based on this, we formed 2 by 2 payoff matrix. Okay, now go to the last step. Solve the 2 by 2 game using oddments and find the strategies for player A and B, and also find the value of the game. The first thing is find out the oddments. Find the difference between the first 2 values and enter against the second row, and find the difference between these 2 values and enter against the first row. Look at the first row. The first row difference is 3 minus 1, 2. Enter here. Look at the second row. Okay, 5 minus 1. No, take the positive value first. 5 minus minus 1 is equal to 6. Enter against the first row. In the same way, find out the oddments for the column also. In the first column, 5 minus 1, 4. Enter against the second column. Okay, the second column, 3 minus 1 is equal to 4. Okay, these are the oddments. Now, find the probability. Okay, for the probability, 6 divided by 2 plus 6. 6 divided by 6 plus 2 is equal to 6 by 8 is equal
Still
to
knowing. Okay.
3 by 4. In the same way, for the second one, 2 divided by 6 plus 2.
I want to take.
ಪೇರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ 100% ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಖಕ್ಕೆ ನೀಡುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಗ್ಲೋ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಗ್ಲೋ
Yeah.
In this video, we are going to see game theory optimally using graphical method. So this is the payoff matrix.
Yeah,
of
you
player
please just
A.
check out
Player
the 2
A has
into
got 2
M
strategies,
game.
and player B has got 5
2 by M game.
strategies. And this is the outcome, that is payoff matrix. Now we need to find whether the game has got a saddle point or not. For that, just find out the row minimum and column maximum and find out the minimax value. So any other column, then so delete this particular column. What is the next type? So no dominance. The function for each and every
Yeah, see this one.
alternative which B has got. Okay, again I repeat, we need to take X as the probability of the selection of first strategy by player A, and 1 minus X be the probability of selection of second strategy by player A. Look at the algorithm. Okay, X be the probability of first alternative, and for second alternative 1 minus X, okay, by player A. And with this, you need to derive the expected gain function of player A with respect to each of the alternatives of player B. Okay, B has got 3 alternatives, no? Okay, for each and every alternative, we need to find the expected gain function of player A. With this probability, we are going to find out the expected payoff function for the 3 alternatives which B has got. See, look at the table. Expected payoff functions and expected gain of player A. Okay, in this table, we are going to enter the expected payoff function in this column, and we are going to find out the expected gain of player A. Okay, according to the three different alternatives which B has got. Okay, look at the problem. What are the three alternatives of player B? 1, 2, and 4. In the first column, write the B's alternative. 1, 2, and 4. Now you need to find the A's expected payoff function with the help of A's probability of selection of one and selection of second strategy. Say, for the first strategy, okay, you need to multiply the probability values with the first column value. Minus 4 into x plus 3 into 1 minus x. In the same way, multiply these values with each and every other alternatives. For the first alternative, okay, minus 4x plus 3 into 1 minus x. For the second alternative, 2 into x minus 9 into 1 minus x. The second alternative is 2. Okay, so 2x minus 9 into 1 minus x. Look at the problem. The third alternative is fourth strategy. So minus 6 into x plus 4 into 1 minus x. So A is expected payoff function is minus 6x plus 4 into 1 minus x. Now with this equation you need to find out the payoff function. Just simplify. Minus 4x plus 3 into 1, 3, minus 3 into x, 3x. So minus 4x plus 3 minus 3x. What is the third equation? 2, 1, and find the value of the gain. Okay, let me show this calculation. Look at the table. Now just assume x is equal to 0 and apply
Same procedure.
last alternative. X is equal. We can plot the graph. Look at the algorithm. The next step is plot the gain function on a graph by assuming a suitable scale. Okay. See, keep x on x-axis and gain on y-axis. Okay, we have two gains now. When x is equal to 0 and when x is equal to 1. Okay, let us see this along with the problem. Look at the graph. Okay, this one is x-axis now. So keep x on x-axis and expected gain on y-axis. So here we have two gains now. When x is equal to 0, these are the gain, and when x is equal to 1, these are the gain. Okay, so y-axis will be gain, expected gain of player A. Now let us see the lines. Look at the table. Okay, see, A is expected gain when x is equal to 0. What is the value? 3. When x is equal to 1, the gain is minus 4. So this is the first alternative. So in order to draw the line, just take this value. When x is equal to 0, value is 3. When x is equal to 1, the gain is minus 4. This line for x is equal to 0 and this line for x is equal to 1. X is equal to 0. What is the value? 3. No. 3. Okay, when x is equal to 1, what is the value? Minus 4. Now, just draw a line. This line represents a expected payoff function. Okay, when B is first alternative. Look at the second alternative. When x is equal to 0, what is the expected gain of A? Minus 9. When x is equal to 1, the gain is 2. Okay, 1 is equal to 0, the value is minus 9. Minus 9 here. Okay, when x is equal to 1, what is the value? Plus 2. Just draw the line. This line is B1. So this line represents A's expected gain when B select the first alternative. Okay, this one is B's second alternative, that is B2. Okay, so this line represents A's expected gain when B select the second alternative. Let us see the third option. When B select the fourth strategy, A's expected gain when x is equal to 0 is 4. When x1 is equal to 1, the expected gain is minus 6. Now draw the line. Okay, this line represents B4. That is when we select the fourth strategy. Okay, this is the third alternative. Now let us see the algorithm. Look at the fifth step. Now find the highest intersection point in the lower
Hello, my name is Ka.
boundary of the graph. Okay, so now we have to find out the highest intersection point in the lower boundary of the graph. Since player A is the maximum player, so we need to find out the maximum point, that is the maximum of minimum. So we need to find the lower region. Okay, shade the lower region and find out the highest intersection point. So that point is called maximum point. Look at the graph, name the intersection point. Here intersection point is there now. So A, this point is B, and this point is C. Now shade the common region which is below the boundary and find out the highest intersection point. So that point is called maximum point. So this is the common region which is below the lines. Okay, see, since A is the maximum type player, okay, identify the highest intersection point in the lower boundary of the graph. Okay, the lower boundary consists of the intersection point A, B, and C. Okay, out of these 3 points, point B is the highest level. So this intersection point is called maximum point. Now see the algorithm. After finding maximum point, the next step is just check if the number of lines passing through the maximum point is only 2. Again I repeat, if the number of lines passing through the maximum point is only 2, form a 2 by 2 pair of matrix and go to step 8. That is, you can solve the problem by using oddments and find the strategies for player A and B and also value of the game. This will be the final solution. Okay. If you couldn't find only 2 points, then you have to go to the 7th step. Let us see along with the graph. See, if in the maximum point, if the number of lines passing through the maximum point is only 2, okay, in this problem, according to this problem here, this point intersects 2 lines only. Which line? B4 and B2. Okay, so this maximum point, intersection point, okay, passing through 2 lines. One is B4 and B2. So we can form 2 by 2 pair of matrix from the original problem and we can proceed further. If we find more than 2 lines, then we have selected the maximum point at B2 and B4. So 13. In the same way, find the difference between these 2 values and for second option, 8 is equal to 10 divided by 21. For second option, 11 divided by 10 plus 11 is equal to 11 divided by 21. These are the probabilities. So probabilities for player A and B. For player A, okay, strategy 1 and 2, no. For the first strategy, 13 by.
Okay. I hope understood now. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Actually, we put here. I think I'm going to stop the gaming theory. If anybody wants to ask me later also. So game theory has got 3 things to remember. One is finding saddle point. Second thing, reducing the matrix by dominance rule. Okay, that is row minima, column maxima. Okay, you are deleting the minimum values in a row and the maximum values in a column. Row minima, column max. Remember. Okay, this is about the dominance rule. Thirdly, graphical theory. Graphical solution. So here you are going to get M into 2 matrix or 2 into M matrix. If it is M into 2 means 2 columns, means B strategy. You are going to find the above region with the minimum point. Suppose a 2 into N matrix means 2 rows, means player A. You are going to find the lower region and you are going to find the maximum point. Understood now? That's how reducing the matrix into 2 by 2. The remaining, you know it, how to find the value of game and the strategy for player A and B. Okay. Still, if anybody got doubts, you can ask me. No issues. You can always ask me over mobile or WhatsApp, or you can anything. No issues. Okay, I'm going to explain. So I think I can complete game theory. No problem. In open book also, I'm going to some questions related to game theory only. Open book, so that you understand the game theory better. Right.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, means last week you have given problems on linear programming.
Yeah.
Sir, we have not solved that two problems which involving more than two variables, sir.
Yeah. Unit 3, not Unit 1, not started only. This only formulation and graphical solution. Still, we have to do lot many things there. See, there we have got a simplest method and a big game method that requires this type of smart boards. See, just now that lady used now, that type of board, if they go to give, I can do anything right now as I can do. Problem is what I'm facing is, see that how much struggle I'm doing. I have to write down on a white sheet, then I have to take what you call as Adobe Reader. I'm going to scan it, then sending it to mail, download it, sending once again to PPT and all. See, for one problem I have to spend 2 hours. Suppose they given the like whiteboard, smart board, no, directly would have started now in front of you only. I can take one problem and solve in front of you only. But thing is, for each one problem, I have to spend 2 to 3 hours. Okay, that's why I have not taken the first unit of 3 to 4 variables. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
I'm waiting waiting for smart board to come. If they come today itself, I'm going to start the chapter. But
Yes,
it wants some blackboard. See, there's no point in sharing somebody's video. Unless we teach, unless I teach, it's very difficult to follow you people also. So what's the point in making Shukmar as a faculty member for OR, right? No. So I'm waiting for the board to come, smart board to come.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Sir, then the portion.
Waiting for the board. If it don't come, I'm going to start one more chapter. It's going to be done using my own method. I'm trying now. We'll see now what best I can do till next week.
Sir, then portion for the first IS, sir.
Same thing, game theory completely, game theory, and one more graphical solution, unit 1, theory portion plus as well as formulation and game using graphical solution. Okay, now?
Yes, sir.
Right now, no problem. See, as of now, 20 marks game theory completely over, and 10 marks of what you call as the first unit got over already. Okay, so 30 marks. So for IA, no issues. 1.5 unit got over almost. But anyway, next week I'm going to try to take that simplex. Mostly this week, when I'm getting the smart board. If not, also I'm trying to do. I don't know. I'm trying now. What best that I can search for you people to teach. Okay. Because if same online going to continue, then I don't know what to do. Whether I want to tell other faculty also to take their own divisions, or shall I continue for all 4 divisions? I don't know. Because this plan is only till the 30th of September. Because we thought that 1st October we are going to start offline. Then we are going to leave all students to corresponding faculty members A, B, C, D, and all. But if this continue, I don't know whether I have to continue or tell them also to take their own divisions. I don't know as of now. What to tweak?
So you continue, sir, for all the details.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's right. What I'm doing actually, I'm preparing it. Now, for me, teaching OR is so easy. Like I feel so happy to teach you and all. We'll see now. We'll see now. Please share some practice questions related to game theory. Okay, Faisal. No problem. I got so many questions with me. I can share in the. I can what you call. I can scan and do it. Remember, the problem here in internet is like I have got 2 networks. One is Jio, second is Airtel, plus the GAT Wi-Fi. So if I want to scan it, I have to go to second floor to download it. I'm not unable to download, and I'm sharing. It's the main problem I'm facing here. Net problem. Okay, so hopefully it may going to clear shortly, and I can send anything. No problem. Okay, if I get a good internet, good facility, teaching is very easy for me also. No problem. I'll share questions also. Don't worry. Okay, that's all for today, class. See you. Bye. See you next week.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye.